Did you know the very first TV remote was invented all the way back in 1950? Called the Lazy Bones. This clever device was created by Zenith Electronics to let viewers change channels without ever leaving the comfort of their couch. Before that, you had to walk over and turn the knob by hand. The Lazy Bones had a long wire that stretched across the living room and offered simple controls for power, volume, and channels. This small invention sparked a revolution. Today we control our TVs with wireless remotes, voice commands, and even smartphone apps. It all began with the Lazy Bones, proving that sometimes the simplest ideas have the biggest impact.